Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Vicky's Tech World. My name is Vicky. We are here to share some more interesting tips and tricks of iPhone. Hope you will enjoy watching this video. Let's begin with our first tip, which is about iPhone timer feature. Do you know you can use the timer option in iPhone to control your music? Just go to clock, click on timer and set the time. Then click on when timer ends option and select stop playing. Now anything which is playing in your iPhone will stop once timer ends. It works with all the music and video apps like YouTube, Amazon Music, Spotify, Ghana, etc. You can also control the timer directly from Control Center. To do this, hold the timer button from Control Center and swipe up and down to change the timer. Our next tip is to secure your iPhone. This is how you secure your iPhone. Go to Settings, then press the profile name, select Find My and click on Find My iPhone. Make sure these three options are enabled. Also, you have to ensure that Control Center is not accessible from lock screen. To disable this, you have to go to Settings, select Face ID and passcode, enter your password, go down and disable this Control Center option. This way, nobody can disable the network while phone is locked and it is still findable. Our next tip is to increase the battery life of iPhone. You must use these tips to increase your iPhone battery life. Go to Settings, touch Display and Brightness and select Dark Mode. Go to Settings again, select Accessibility, touch Display and Text side, go down and toggle Reduce White Point to On. You can increase and decrease the intensity of display color from this bar. Lastly, go to Settings again, touch Battery and select Battery Health and Charging. Toggle Optimize Battery Charging. This way you can increase the battery life of your iPhone. You may not know that how strong is iPhone's screenshot feature. Let's see. Take a screenshot, touch the thumbnail, press the plus icon on lower right corner, select magnifier, and now you can highlight the point or picture in the screenshot for other person to analyze. Also, you can change the background opacity. Touch the plus icon again and select opacity, and with this bar you can change the background whereas highlighted point is still clearly visible. You can also add your signature in any of the document with the signature option. I have this simple form. We'll take screenshot of this form, crop this. Now click on plus button and select signature option. Select your signature and place it on the desired place. You can also add text in this form. Press the plus icon and select text, and you can place the text as well. In case you don't want to do any editing and only needs to simply share the screenshot, just take screenshot, press and hold the thumbnail and share directly. Isn't this more powerful than you think? You may not know that your iPhone is having inbuilt measuring or say leveling tool. Search Measure app from App Search. Open this application and now you can measure the distance between 2 points or simply check the level of any surface by putting your phone on that. It will show you level as well as tilt angle of the surface. Next is, you can save the entire web page in iPhone as PDF. Open the web page, simply take the screenshot of web page, click on full page. Now you can see entire page is visible. Click on this button and select Save to Files. Browse the location and save this page as PDF. Our today's last tip is related to iPhone text replacement feature, and it is very useful in our day-to-day routine. If you frequently use texting in iPhone, it is must-have tip for you. You can replace your frequently used large text to shortcuts so that you need not have to write full text every time. For example, I need to type in my PAN number here and I will type PAN and my PAN number will show up here. I need not have to remember this. Same goes with email. I will type mail and it will show up my email. You can replace any text of your choice with any shortcut. To do this, go to Settings, search for text replacement, select here. You can see the shortcuts created by me. To add new shortcut, press this plus icon on top right corner. Type in the phrase. Here I will type anything like my card number, obviously not the original one. And in shortcut option, type the shortcut for this text. I will add credit and press save. Go to messaging and I will type credit, and here you can see my saved credit card number is showing up. I hope you like this video. Please do like and share this video with others and subscribe to this channel in case you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you soon with my newer video. Till then, bye bye.